The NAICS codes that management consulting firms most often choose are centered here on the 5416 series. So we got 541611, Administrative Management and General Management Consulting Services, 12, Human Resources, 13, Marketing Consulting Services, 14, Process Physical Development, Distribution and Logistics Consulting, 18, Other Management, and 90, Other Scientific and Technical Consulting Services. However, there are a few other codes outside of the 16 series that a lot of management consulting firms choose, including Engineering Services, and then also over here in the 5419 series, the 90, All Other Professional Scientific Technical Services, and 561110, Office Administrative Services. Additionally, a lot of management consulting services will choose 611430, Professional and Management Development Training. All of these codes and names are in the description below, so consider adding them to your SAM profile and search.